Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a data presentation in Google Slides step by step in 2026 so you can present numbers, reports, and insights clearly and professionally. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to google.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password to log in to your Google account. After signing in, click on the Google Apps grid and select Google Slides. When Google Slides opens, choose an existing presentation or click the plus icon to create a new blank presentation. Allow the slide to fully load before adding your data. Start by planning your data structure. Create a title slide that explains what the data is about. Then add slides for key points, charts, comparisons, and summaries. Keep one main idea per slide to avoid overwhelming your audience. To add data visually, go to the top menu and click Insert. Choose Chart, then select a chart type such as bar, column, line, or pie. A sample chart will appear on your slide and automatically link to Google Sheets. Click Open Source to edit the data and replace it with your own numbers. Any updates in Sheets will instantly reflect in your slides. For tables, click Insert, then Table, and choose the number of rows and columns you need. Use tables for structured data, but keep them simple and readable. Increase font size and spacing if necessary. Design is very important in data presentations. Go to Slide. Change theme and select a clean, minimal theme. Use consistent colors for charts and avoid using too many bright colors. Highlight only the most important data points. Use text boxes to explain insights, not just numbers. Add short explanations like trends, increases, or key takeaways. This helps your audience understand what the data means. Align charts, tables, and text using arrange greater than align options to keep slides clean and balanced. Avoid clutter and leave enough white space around elements. Before presenting, review all slides to check accuracy, clarity, and readability. Remove unnecessary data that doesn't support your message. That's how to create a data presentation in Google Slides step by step in 2026. Clear visuals and simple explanations make your data more powerful. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next full guide. Hey everyone.